So children, this we discussed the oblique sketch, okay, how we draw it with the help of the square paper. But also, because when we measure the edges, it may not come of the same length what it is given, okay, or what we wanted. Get it? So there is another sketch to remove this error also, and that type of sketch is known as isometric sketch, children, which is again made up of dots, okay, the same way how dots are here. In that also, iso means this is a square paper. Here also you can use a dot paper also, okay, square dot paper. But in the isometric sketch, dots are there, but dots are in the form of equilateral triangles. Okay, so let's make out. I am making the dots. Just give me some time. Remember to use a ruler, children, when you are drawing the dots, or you can even use the isometric dot sheets if you want. It is available in the market. Okay, see how I am drawing. Because if the measurement is not correct or your dots are not placed in proper order, you may not get your solid shape in proper order, which will be a problem for me because I am not using a ruler right now. So let's try it out. There is an example for dot isometric sketch. Okay, 4 cross 3 cross 3. Let us attempt a cuboid for 4 cross 3 cross 3. Cross 3. So that means first the length, the breadth and the height. So first let's make a rectangle of length 4 and breadth 3. So length 4, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3. I will have to make more dots. But you see how it will come. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then, sorry, this is for 3. This is 3. And then again 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we draw. This is the height. And then we draw the breadth for 3. So 1, 2, 3. Then again height. 1, 2, and 3 will come here, children. 3. Wait, let me draw one more line for this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, and 3. And 1, 2, and 3. And 1, 2, and 3. And 1, 2, and 3. You can do one thing. If you want, you can draw your dots with a different color, and then you can complete this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see. So this is how we draw. I know my cuboid has not come proper. Okay. But this is how you draw the isometric shapes. Now when you are going to correct measurement. Okay, so this is how we do the oblique sketch. This is the oblique sketch where we use the square paper or dot paper where dots are in the form of squares. Okay, and this is the isometric sketch where we use the isometric dot paper where the dots are in the form of equilateral triangles. Okay, so this completes the two techniques, and the next exercise is based on these two techniques. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead for the exercise. Here, exercise 15.2. Exercise 15.2. Use isometric dot paper and make an isometric sketch for each of the following given shapes. Shapes are given, children. We have to draw the isometric. Oblique sketches are given. We have to draw the isometric sketches. So we start with the first one. Let's make the isometric sketch. Okay. So here 6, 3 and 2. 6 cross 3 cross 2. I am writing it on the top. 6 cross 3 cross 2. That means 6 should be the length. Then 3 becomes the breadth or height, whatever you want to take. And 2 becomes the breadth or the height, whatever you want to take. Okay, so let's start. You can use your own measurements, and first you draw the square dot paper, where the dots are in the form of squares, and then you make an equilateral triangle. Okay, please use a ruler, children. It will be a little time taking, as you can see. I am wasting such a lot of my time. Yes, dots are visible. Yes, dots are visible. Just for your okay. Now 6. So let's make the length 6 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will have to draw 2 more lines. Children, give me some time, please. Okay, 6. After 6, I take 3. So 3, this is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then again this side also. 1, 2, 3. Then again 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 3. So 1, 2. Sorry, 2. Then 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 2. 1, 2. Then this is 6. So let's do it. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this is 1, 2. Then this is 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done? Have we left anything? No. So this is how it will come. Okay, children? In the dot isometric shape is this. Now I will have to set. Okay, got it? So this is how we have to do. First one I have done for your children. Second, third and fourth you will try on your own. Now we are going to start question number 2. Question number 2 is dimensions of cuboid. Dimensions of a cuboid are 5 cm, 3 cm and 2 cm. Draw 3 different isometric sketches of this cuboid. So 3 different we have to draw the isometric sketches. One I will draw, rest 2 you will draw. So it is 5 cross 3 cross 2. Okay. So 5, this can become the first one. Second, you make 3 as length, 5 as height or breadth, and then 2. And third, you can make 2 as length, 3 as height or breadth, and then 5. Okay, so these are the 3 sketches that we have to draw. First one I am drawing, second and third you will draw. Okay, so for the first one I am starting. Let's see if I can able to. 5 is there, Baba. I make 2 more lines, 2 more dots. Yeah. So let's start. First is 5. It's not in proper. So So we start with 5. This is, I start with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5, 3. Need one more dot. Now after 5, 3. So 1, 2, 3. After 3, 2. 1, 2. Wait. 3 had to be here. Otherwise my isometric will be something else. Instead of which one I am drawing? This is 3. 1, 2, 3. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3. Now 2. So 1 and 2. And this will be 3. So 1, 2, 3. Just parallel to this line. Then 1, 2. Then parallel to this line. But 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 2. 1, 2. Okay. Then parallel to this line from here. But how much? 5. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I left. Acha, no, 3, no? 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is 3, so this should also be 3. Then 1, 2. Then parallel to this line, and this is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this is the cuboid with which one of the first dimension. Second and third you will be drawing. Okay. 3 cubes each with, now we will start with question number 3, children. Question number 3. 3 cubes with each 2 centimeter edges are placed side by side to form a cuboid. Sketch an oblique or isometric sketch of this cuboid. Okay, so either oblique or isometric. So children, we will do the isometric sketch because oblique is very easy. You can do it. So isometric sketch for 3 cubes. Sketch for 3 cubes or each of dimension 2 cross 2 cross 2. Okay, that is length also 2, breadth also 2 and height also 2. So let's start. But it is 3 cubes. Remember that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 square it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3. Drawing dots is really difficult. drawing the I hope I'll able to finish twos. So first we draw the first cube, then we draw the second, and then we draw the third. Okay. So the first cube, 2, 1, 2. Then 1, 2. Then 1, 2, and 1, 2. And here 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, and see the dot is where. No, this is the dot. 1 and 2. Okay. So this is the first one. Then we draw the second one. They are stuck together to form a cube. Correct. So let's start from here. Second cube. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then this is the parallel line 1, 2. Okay, for this one. And this is the parallel line for the front bottom. Okay, so this completes the second cube. Then we do the third cube. Third cube we start from here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The front face. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now this is the parallel one. 1, 2 for this. This parallel line is already made. Now only we have to draw this face. This edge, sorry. 1 and 2. So this is how the three cubes are aligned together to make a cuboid. So we get a cuboid. This becomes the first front face. Okay. So this completes question number 3. Similarly, will be its oblique sketch. Okay, our oblique sketch will be more easy. So if you want, you can draw or you can leave also. This completes question number 3. Then we start with question number 4. Make an oblique sketch for each one of the following given isometric shape. So question number 4, we have to give the oblique sketch, children. So let's start question number 4. So first let's make a square paper. This is the square paper. I hope I am able to finish in that. One, two, three, four, five, six. 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. draw this. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth line. Then 1, 2. Children, this one 1 and 2 like this. Then again 2. 1, 2. Here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Reached here. Then this one. Like this. Joined. Then this one. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then this we have not drawn, that is why the confusion is. After completing this side, 1, 2. Here also 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah, this came. Then we join this line and we join this line. Done. Here is the oblique sketch, children. Joined, everywhere joined. Yeah. So this completes the oblique sketch for the first one. Second one you are going to try on your own, and question number 5 we are going to start tomorrow.